In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how it works, how to log in, its best features, and whether it's actually worth your time. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. First, let's talk about getting started. Open the Captions AI website or download the mobile app. Click sign up, then continue using your Google, Apple, or email account. After logging in, you'll reach the dashboard where all the editing tools are available. New users can explore several features before deciding whether to upgrade. Now, what makes Captions AI special? Its biggest strength is automatic captions. Upload your video, and within minutes, the AI creates highly accurate subtitles. You can edit the text, change fonts, colors, animations, and position without needing any editing experience. But captions are only the beginning. Captions AI can automatically remove background noise, enhance voice quality, cut silent moments, add smooth transitions, generate AI avatars, translate subtitles into multiple languages, and even correct eye contact, making it look like you're speaking directly to the camera throughout the video. If you're a YouTuber, Instagram creator, or TikTok creator, these features can save hours of editing every week. Now let's talk about pricing. The free version is great for testing the platform, but it comes with some limitations, including restricted exports and access to premium AI tools. If you create content regularly, the paid plan unlocks faster processing, more AI features, and higher quality exports. So, should you use Captions AI? If your goal is to create professional-looking videos faster without learning complex editing software, then yes, Captions AI is definitely worth trying. It's beginner-friendly, easy to use, and packed with AI features that genuinely improve your workflow. That's my review of Captions AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with the next AI tool you'd like me to review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.